In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Cloudways Cache. If you've ever updated your website and then opened the live page only to see the old version still showing, you're definitely not alone. Like, this happens a lot on Cloudways because the platform uses several layers of caching to keep sites fast. That's great for performance, but it can also delay visible changes if those cache layers aren't cleared properly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to clear cache at the application level, the server level inside WordPress, and even on your CDN if needed, so your updates actually appear when they should. First, log into your Cloudways account and go to the Applications tab at the top. Choose the website you want to update. Once you're inside that application dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Application Settings. On the General tab, find the section called Purge Site Cache, then click Purge. This is the quickest way to clear the main cache for a single application. It's especially useful when you're working on one site and want the platform to refresh the cached content tied to that app. Next, if you're hosting multiple websites on the same server, or you want to clear the broader server cache, go back to the top menu and open the Servers tab. Select the server that's running your site. In the left sidebar, click Manage Services. Scroll until you find Varnish and then click Purge next to it. This clears the server-wide Varnish cache, which can affect all applications on that machine. So use this when a single site purge isn't enough, or when several sites may be showing outdated content. If your site runs on WordPress, there may still be caching happening inside the website itself. Log into your WordPress dashboard. At the top admin bar, hover over Breeze, then click Purge All Cache. This helps clear cached pages and assets directly from the WordPress side. It's an important extra step when server cache has been cleared, but changes still aren't appearing correctly. If you're also using a CDN through Cloudways, open your application sidebar and click Cloudflare or Edge Network, depending on what your setup shows. In the cache management area, choose Purge Everything or Purge All. This clears cached files from Edge locations around the world, so visitors get the newest version of your site. After that, do a final check. Open an incognito window, hard refresh the page, and review the key parts of your website, especially banners, layout changes, checkout pages, and updated text. This helps confirm you're seeing a fresh version of the site instead of something stored locally. Once everything looks right, you're done.